He has past participle. He has eaten. He has worn a hat. He has watched TV. He has baked a pie. He has sung a song. He has cooked rice. He has drawn a map. He has taken a nap. He has fed the dog. He has eaten lunch. He has made his bed. He has made his bed. He has fed the fish. He has gone fishing. He has taken a taxi. He has sewn a dress. He has won the race. He has lit a candle. He has lit a candle. He has baked a cake. He has fixed the TV. He has cut his hair. He has played soccer. He has built a house. He has paid the bill. He has paid the bill. He has gone shopping. He has ordered pizza. He has slept all day. He has set the table. He has cooked dinner. He has sent an email. He has sent an email. He has baked cookies. He has seen the news. He has packed his bag. He has lost his phone. He has broken a glass. He has taken a shower. He has driven the car. He has found his keys. He has learned to sew. He has wrapped a gift. He has fried the eggs. He has planned a trip. He has planned a trip. He has fixed the sink. He has washed the car. He has tied his shoes. He has gone to school. He has worked all day. He has planted a tree. He has taught a class. He has walked the dog. He has picked flowers. He has driven to work. He has learned to swim. He has hiked the trail. He has knitted a scarf. He has kissed his baby. He has practiced piano. He has studied English. He has donated clothes. He has met his friends. He has met his friends. He has learned to cook. He has shared his food. He has taken a picture. He has locked the door. He has closed the door. He has filled the form. He has filled the form. He has planted flowers. He has acted in a play. He has swept the floor. He has written a story. He has drawn a picture. He has made a sandwich. He has travelled by bus. He has combed his hair. He has saved his money. He has learned to bake. He has fixed the chair. He has caught the ball. He has cooked spaghetti. He has spilled the milk. He has changed the baby. He has grown vegetables. He has visited a museum. He has learned to drive. He has worn a new dress. He has worked from home. He has taught his child. He has painted the wall. He has ironed the dress. He has cleaned the room. He has cleaned the room. He has fed the chickens. He has missed the train. He has boiled the water. He has packed his lunch. He has ironed a shirt. He has written a letter. He has written a letter. He has painted his nails. He has skipped breakfast. He has travelled to Paris. He has opened the window. He has listened to music. He has painted the fence. He has painted the fence. He has played the guitar. He has repaired the bike. He has gone to the store. He has filled the bottle. He has watched the movie. He has helped his friend. He has washed the dishes. He has washed the dishes. He has printed the paper. He has brushed his teeth. He has painted a picture. He has stayed in a hotel. He has cancelled his trip. He has cleaned his shoes. He has cleaned his shoes. He has called his friend. He has decorated the room. He has forgotten the time. He has broken his glasses. He has danced in the rain. He has fixed the computer. He has fixed the computer. He has bought a new dress. He has learned a new word. He has watched the sunset. He has visited the doctor. He has built a sandcastle. He has folded the clothes. He has washed the windows. He has prepared breakfast. He has watered the flowers. He has organized his books. He has spent his allowance. He has cleaned the windows. He has cleaned his glasses. He has washed the curtains. He has painted the ceiling. He has watched the sunrise. He has changed his clothes. He has taken out the trash. He has climbed the mountain. He has arranged the flowers. He has looked for his phone. He has finished his homework. He has learned to ride a bike. He has danced with his sister. He has graduated from college. He has visited his grandparents.